Most drivers get this completely wrong, and it costs them hours of lost income every week. They think driving anytime will produce the same results. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Uber, timing is the single biggest factor that controls your earnings in 2026. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is driving when demand is low, just because you are free. That is how drivers stay online for hours with almost no rides. In this video, you'll learn the exact best times to drive, how peak demand actually works, and how smart drivers double their earnings without driving more hours. Let's break it down simply. The first and most profitable time is the morning rush, usually between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. This is when people are going to work, airports, and appointments. A driver like Alex in a busy city can complete multiple short rides back-to-back during this window. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all mornings are equal. Rainy days, or Mondays, often increase demand even more, which means higher surge pricing and faster trip requests. The second major window is the evening rush, usually from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is often the most consistent earning period of the day. People are leaving work, heading home, or going out for dinner. Now here's the problem most drivers miss. They stop driving right after peak hours end. But that is when a second wave often begins. Late night driving, especially Friday and Saturday nights, can be extremely profitable. This is when bars close, events end, and demand spikes suddenly. A driver like Jake, working downtown at midnight, often earns more per hour than daytime drivers because of surge pricing. In a minute, here's a strategy most top drivers use. They don't just follow time windows. They combine time with location shifts. For example, starting in downtown during evening rush, then moving toward entertainment districts at night. Another key factor is airport timing. Early mornings and late nights around airports often produce high-value long rides that boost total earnings quickly. But here's where most people fail. They sit in one location all day, instead of moving with demand. Uber does not reward waiting. It rewards positioning. So what is the real strategy? Morning rush for short frequent rides, evening rush for consistent demand, and late night for high surge opportunities. Combine that with smart location changes, and your earnings can increase significantly without adding more hours. To wrap it up, the best times to drive for Uber in 2026 are not random. They are predictable patterns based on human movement, work schedules, and nightlife activity. If you understand timing, you stop guessing and start earning smarter. If this helped you plan your driving schedule, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more real-world Uber strategies that help you earn more with less wasted time.